Welcome back to Scoot. Today we're unlocking the power of AI with our new AI Meeting Summaries feature, designed to streamline your virtual meetings and webinars. Our AI Meeting Summaries record and transcribe all of the conversations in the Scootiverse that produce valuable meeting insights for both the host and attendees. Enabling AI Summaries for your meetings and webinars is a breeze. Just navigate to your settings and toggle the AI Summaries option. You can also enable meeting recording to record presentations. Let's start with host summaries. After your meeting, access your dedicated summaries dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all your past meetings. Click on any meeting to view a comprehensive AI-generated summary. This recap includes key discussion points, decisions made, and action items, all neatly organized. Want to see individual attendee perspectives? Click View All Attendees and access personalized summaries for each participant. Now, let's explore attendee summaries. After leaving a Scoot meeting, attendees will receive a prompt to view their personalized AI-generated summary. Even if transcription is turned off, you'll receive a pared-down version of the summary, capturing essential information. If it's your first time, simply provide your email address, and your summary will be delivered directly to your inbox. This makes it easy to quickly review key points and stay informed, even on the go. With Scoot's AI Meeting Summaries, hosts gain powerful management tools, and attendees receive personalized recaps, enhancing productivity and collaboration for everyone. Experience the future of meeting summaries with Scoot. Try it today and unlock a new level of efficiency.